From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. The National Center for Atmospheric Research confirmed that a 252-mile-per-hour wind gust was measured in Hurricane Melissa, setting a new record for the highest wind speed reported by a dropsonde, a weather instrument released by Hurricane Hunter aircraft. Now, the dropsonde is a small weather station attached to a parachute that measures various weather elements as it descends to the Earth's surface, transmitting that data back to the aircraft. The 252-mile-per-hour wind gust measured by the dropsonde in Hurricane Melissa was recorded at 827 feet above the ocean on October 28th, the same day Melissa made landfall in Jamaica as a Category 5 storm. The previous record for a dropsonde measurement was 248 miles per hour, taken during a typhoon over the western Pacific in 2010. Because the reading was not taken at the Earth's surface, though, it does not count officially in the World Meteorological Organization's World Wind Records. The official world wind record remains 253 miles per hour, clocked by an automated weather station during Tropical Cyclone Olivia in April of 1996 at Barrow Island, Australia. The wind record for the Northern Hemisphere is 231 miles per hour at Mount Washington, New Hampshire. While a wind speed of 302 miles per hour was recorded by a Doppler radar in 1999 during a tornado in Oklahoma, that measurement also occurred above the Earth's surface and is not recognized in the official WMO records. Moss is pretty resilient. We knew that already, since mosses are known to thrive in some of Earth's harshest environments. Well, as it turns out, moss is one of the few plants that even the vacuum of space cannot kill. Mosses are remarkably resilient, thriving in extreme conditions here on Earth, from the intense heat of Death Valley to the frigid cold atop mountain peaks. A new study conducted aboard the International Space Station has revealed that these hardy plants can also survive exposure to outer space. The research, published Thursday in the journal iScience by Cell Press, analyzed data from an experiment that exposed moss spores to the harsh environment outside the ISS between March 2022 and January 2023. After the samples were returned to Earth, scientists found that about 80% of the spores had survived for 9 months in space and were still capable of reproducing. The lead author of the study, Tomomichi Fujita of Hokkaido University, said, "We expected almost zero survival, but the result was the opposite. Most of the spores survived. We were genuinely astonished by the extraordinary durability of these tiny plant cells." Fujita said his team chose to study moss because of its ability to withstand extreme environments here on Earth. Still, researchers hypothesized that the stresses of space, including cosmic radiation, extreme temperature shifts, and microgravity, would prove too damaging for the plant cells to endure. Instead, the moss's success in space challenges that assumption and could have far-reaching implications. Scientists say the findings could help inform future efforts to develop sustainable ecosystems on the Moon, Mars, or other planets, where plants might one day play a key role in supporting human life. That's all for now. You can find more regional forecasts and science-based articles at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.